Today I wanted to show you guys how to put together and use this Intex ZX300 pool vacuum. Assembling this unit is very simple. It comes with all the parts needed to hook up to the return inlet of the pool, an adapter that goes onto the A port, two threaded adapter that connects to the provided 21-foot non-tango hose, where one end plugs into the vacuum unit and the other end to the return. Flip the unit over to access the debris container that is held in place by two locking mechanisms, one on the right and one on the left. Inside is a superfine mesh filter that is designed to capture very fine materials. You can clean the filter from here where all the trapped debris will remain. Remember, the more you keep this filter clean, the better it will work. Now lock it back in place and you are ready to go to put it into the pool. Install the adapter onto the return. Now you can lower the vacuum into the water slowly. Insert the hose into the return. From here, the vacuum will start working on its own, so you can sit back and watch it vacuum up all the dirt from the floor bottom. This is crazy. I can't believe it can actually climb. It's mesmerizing when you can see this vacuum climb up the pool walls. How is that even possible, right? In my opinion, the coolest thing about this vacuum is the fact that not only can it clean the floor, but it can also clean the walls, which is just an amazing sight to see. One thing I don't really like about it is the soft bristle sweeper. Not really designed to scrub anything like algae, but you can help it loosen up with a brush. I really like the fact that it uses the pressure side and not the suction side to operate, so it's not sucking up all the debris into the pump. This saves me so much time trying to vacuum up everything. It really worked out great for me, and I hope it works out for you.